Changing a pane of 4mm toughened glass. You will need finishing clips, capping rubbers, a flat blade screwdriver and a glazing tool, also known as pincers. Removing the pane of glass. The first thing you need to do is remove the capping either side of the glass pane that needs replacing. To remove the capping, position the flat blade screwdriver between the capping and the greenhouse frame at the bottom. Lever the capping away from the greenhouse frame and it will pop off. You will find that the capping rubbers will be stuck inside the capping. Remove the rubbers before refitting the capping. The next step is to remove the finishing clips which hold the glass in place. Using the flat blade screwdriver, put the blade behind the clip and prise it out. This action will need a little force and be careful as the clip can spring off. Glass is now ready to remove. Place your fingers along the bottom edge of the glass and lift it up so that it is clear of the two supporting clips, also known as 4mm S-clips. Fitting a pane of glass. Ensure that the two 4mm S-clips are positioned on the greenhouse bottom rail, approximately 15mm in from each upright glazing bar. Take the new piece of glass, position it between the two upright glazing bars at the highest point, then lower it into the two S-clips. Hold the glass in place with one hand, then position a finishing clip at the top on one side. Using the glazing tool, pop the clip into place and then crimp the belly to secure it. See here, we push the clip into the groove so it moves up and down between glass and frame. Hold it in position and then using the glazing tool or pincers, we crimp the belly. Repeat for all the clips. Put the capping rubbers onto the glazing bars. The rubbers have a split so they open to clip onto the frame. One at the top and bottom, approximately 75mm from each end. To refit the capping, put it into position over the glazing bar. Apply pressure at each point where the capping rubbers are and the capping will clip into place.